Shoma. Hindur trying to help the midfield again. That's been the case in this game. Davao trusting the system again. Jan Meliza. Sato. Try to use his trickery, pero traffic dun sa kaliwa. He's trying to drive on his team right here, as we saw from his gestures. There's a look at Mardiano. This line. Cleared it to the middle. But Arboleda couldn't get it along with Cart Palarok.
Sticking on Sato, he also knows, he understands where the danger is. Ito, nakikita natin, last dance nga, no? Ito yung post niya. What does it mean? Last game, last couple of games, is this is going to be his only season with Davao? We really don't know. But it makes the stakes of this game even bigger for Davao and for Sato.